Good day. Time hot. Yeah. Hope you all are doing great. There, you know. Actually, got some work done in the morning and something simple, you know. Weave a small box that you probably can put something in from, you know, paper. Yeah. Alright, so I don't have the guillotine. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take what is it, the stencil knife, one of the stencil knife instead of the guillotine. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright. And I mean, I can do several different type of boxes, you know, or even weaving. So, and let me know if you're interested. I'll make a few more videos with it. Alright. I'm going to use a knife to cut it down. So, you guys watch, for those who don't watch a previous video, you can run over there after you finish watching this video. You know, it's very interesting, trust me, very much. I mean, I noticed you guys in the comment section said that he did a good job. I'm not sure if you guys talking the truth, but anyway, whichever you guys said, you know, I'm working with it. Yeah. Alright, so when I finish cutting these, I'll get back to you. So we are going to weave the box. Alright. So this is what the strips look like. So I'm actually using gold and black. I think red would look good with it also, but I'm just going to use the red, the gold and the black. Yeah. So I'm going to allow this little part here to dry, and then I'll move on from here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold here. So I'm going to fold it. I'm going to fold it. Yeah. Let me tell you something, guys. You don't always have to do what someone else is doing. Trust me. Whatever you can do, do it. Sometimes it's all about what you think, what you believe, what you want. It's not always what other persons want from you. Yeah? And another thing is the fear. Fear is one of our biggest enemies. I can tell you that. See, if we should get rid of the fear that we have, fear to do this, the fear to do that. I'm afraid of this and what that person might think. I fear what that person might say. Trust me, guys. As long as you're not doing anything wrong, believe me, do what you're doing. Yeah? Embrace who you are. Because you see, if you try to be like someone else, you're going to fail. I'm telling you. If you try to be like someone else, you're going to fail. You have to try and be like yourself. Trust me. Alright, so this card here is too short. So yes, guys, never ever try to be someone else. Always try to be you. Yeah? Always try to be you. You can never go wrong once you try to be you. Let me tell you, a lot of us, a lot of times, trying to live how our friends, yeah, and even our enemies. But trust me, doing things the way that you want to, you will feel accomplished. Yeah? If the crowd that you're in cannot accept you for who you are, then you're not in the right crowd. I'm telling you. If the crowd that you're in cannot accept you for the person that you are, you're in the wrong crowd. You need to find yourself among the persons that accept you for who you are. You see, fear is a monster. And fear will cause you to do the things that you don't want to do. Basically, you become an hypocrite then. Being the person that you are not. There is someone out there, there are a set of persons, there are people out there that will accept you for who you are. Yeah, so I've been doing this for quite a few years. Yeah? I've been doing this for quite a few years. So it's nothing new to me. Not anything new to me, I've been doing this. Alright, so let me show you guys how far I am. So this is it, guys. So this is how far I am on. I'm going to be doing the sides now. Alright, so stick around. Whew. This is what we have here. So this is the box. Alright. So I'm almost finished with it. Yeah? So let me give you a close up. Alright. So that's how it looks. I'm going to be adding a little bit more to it. So I'm going to get one of my cutters. So it's a paper cutter. Yeah. So I'll be cutting. Yeah. Yes, I have several other paper cutters, several different, cutters. Give us different shapes, yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like, yeah. So this is what we get from it. So that's the shape that I get from the cutter that I use. Alright, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it around the edge of the box. I think I'm going to cut the other end. So right, instead of using this side, I'm going to use the other side. Alright. So this that I'm making, it's a catch-all. We call it a catch-all. But this is not. This is actually a paper catch-all. A little thing you can probably put your key in, or your jewelry or something. A little catch-all. Alright, so this is it. Let me show you the other side. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Yeah? So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Yeah. So this is it. Catch all. Yeah. You can put your keys or your jewelry or so on in it. Or you can even put your pencils, your small stationaries that you have. You can put them in it. Yeah? Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to share with someone. Give me a thumbs up, like, yeah? And if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so that next time when I drop a video, you will be notified. See you in another video.